See, a lot of people who say that Islam is terrorism has not read the Quran, because they're using a sentence from the Quran, but they're not taking the full sentence. They're taking half of the sentence and leaving the most important part out. Here it's saying in Dehshat 2196, slay them wherever you find them. This is what Western media is using. No, it goes on to say, those who fight against you, drive them out of the places from which they drove you, for religious persecution is worse than killing. Do not fight them at the sacred mosque unless they fight you there. I mean, come on. In the Quran, Allah, God, is saying, do not fight them unless they fight you. And if they fight you, then you have full permission to fight them. But, I mean, the Western media takes the first part, that you have permission to slay, and they run with it. They forget the second part that says, for those who fight against you. This is what the Western media is missing. You missed the whole point of Islam. Islam is here and you're there. You missed it. Try again.